Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, comparison with the greater than operator. The greater than operator compares the values of two numbers. If the number to the left is greater than the numbers to the right, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Like the equality operator, greater than operator will convert data types of values while comparing. So, in this case, 5 numeric 5 is greater than numeric 3. Numeric 7 is greater than a string 3 and 2 is greater than 3, then it will print false. Then it will return value of false. In the above case, it was returning value of true. When a string 1 is compared with this greater than operator, then 9 as numeric value, with 9 as numeric value, then the return will be false. So the task for this challenge, add the greater than operator to the indicated line so that the return statement makes sense. Okay, val over 100, so greater than 100. If val greater than 10, and if neither statements are executed, then in that case return this. So that's okay. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.